Hi, welcome back to the channel. So here with my S23 Ultra, I've now got a new screen protector. I prefer the film ones because I find the fingerprint works, easy installation, it doesn't leave any special glue, no special skill required to do it. Anyway, let's get on straight with it. It's from a company called amfilm. It's a well-known company, they've been doing this for years. And one of the things they claim is that it is less prone to fingerprints. It even says fingerprint resistant here. So let's find out if that's true. Now, when I got the phone, the initial reviews from people saying it scratched quite easily. So I got a screen protector on it straight away. Very cheap one, no brand one. And I don't know if you can see that, but every fingerprint is there. I don't know if I move it around, you might be able to see it. Okay, so we're going to take that off. I'm going to use all the products that came with it. The price I've temporarily forgotten because I bought this before I got the phone, but I'll put the price over here. And let's get on with it. This is all the stuff that came with it. You also get the screen protectors, I guess, for the camera. I don't plan to use these. I'd like to know your opinion or your thoughts. Are you using these kind of things? I think they may distort the image, but I could be wrong. It's got H6, whatever that means, some kind of glass. So this is all the stuff that comes with it. It seems to come with some kind of guarantee as well. You get two for your money. You get installation, you get this so it stops moving, and even installation videos on how to do it. Should be easy, but my videos are usually is how not to do an install. But let's find out. Here it is. I'm going to take off the old one, so there shouldn't be much dirt. Also, if you look at this one, it is case friendly, and I'm hoping these are case friendly. It doesn't go to the very, very end, allowing for any case to work on it very well. So here we go. This one, well, it did its job. That's about all I can say. Terrible product. Okay, so it shouldn't need much, but I am going to use the wet wipes that came with it, just in case. Beat it off. I mean, these things are getting smaller and smaller each year. Look at that. Okay, but we will give it a clean, get rid of any oils that's on the sides. Okay. By the way, I also recommend you turn off the phone when you do this. You don't want any distractions. And I'm looking around. Actually, it looks very good so far. I'll do the other side as well. Okay, now I'm going to use this that came with it. Wipe off that. Keep it going in one direction, and so you don't get any lines. That's good. I'll take this off just in case there's any, can't see any. I mean, some people even go as far as doing these installations in the bathroom so there's no dust. I don't go to that extreme. And one more wipe. The key is not to get your hand at all off greasy fingers, and wash your hands thoroughly before you do the installation. I believe this one has a little cutout where the camera is, and let's have a look. You get this little device. I'm going to plug that in so it's facing upwards. Like that. Pop it in. That is to ensure the installation is straight. You get this, by the way, which is their own type of whatever you want to call it. And I will just give it one more little wipe over here. And now, this is, we'll find out if it all works. It's clearly marked 1, 2, 3. You get the instructions. This goes on here. So it clips in 1, 2, this side up. I guess that means this side up. Well, that didn't work, did it? Okay. Bit difficult to do because the lighting here is actually on my face. So 1, 2, 3. Here you go. You can clearly see that's in. And if I left it like that, you can actually see where the camera is, so that's very good. I'm going to turn it round so it faces me a bit more, so it's easier to do. The first thing, these are clearly marked. That's number 1. Actually, that says number 2. That says...
Take off this first.
Take off this first. My young lady here is advising me to do that.
Yeah.
drop it down.
Yeah.
Make sure the camera's dead straight. And now you use that to keep that in place. For me, I just hope it doesn't pick up all the fingerprints as much as the glass. Last year for my S23 Ultra, I got the Samsung film, and I was not impressed with that, to be honest. So now you pick up number 2, put it back right tight, and then like so, and now you just do this. So far, so good. And that should come off. Yep. Camera is, yep, that's fine. Get rid of the dots whilst I'm at that position now. I don't know if you can see those bubbles. Most of these film protectors, if there is any little bubbles, they come out by themselves, but so far that's looking good. I'm not worried about the edges just yet until I do the whole thing. And number 3, I'm going to turn it round like so. And what do you do here then, Ty? I just put it back, I think.
Yeah, take off that. And yeah.
Put it right back, and here we go. Well, these things are getting easier. Seems a shame that you have to put protectors on, but so far the demos I've seen have not been very impressed about the glass. If you break it and you're unlucky. Now there is something there, I don't know what, oh okay, just a little bubble, you can see that. With luck that will come out, I hope. Okay, and do that. And now I got to peel off. Oh, that part comes off in a minute. Okay, that's interesting. Right, I will do the edges. I personally I do this a little bit with the edges, but then I use my finger to curve it around completely. And so far it's looking okay. Now I'm going to wait a couple of days before I give you an update on this. I want to see how it lasts after a couple of days. Are there any bubbles and stuff like that in it after a couple of days? Look at that. There's always one, isn't there? That's hopefully, I like it when it's at the end better because then it's easier to go. So now I'll just put my fingers along like that. Usually you should rub it this way down so you don't stretch it and distort it. Here we go, like that. Now this is the key, right, Ty? Voila. Damn, except, oh, I shouldn't say damn. One little bubble. Look at that. I'm tempted to press harder, but I won't. With luck, that will go. They claim it's good with the pen. I don't know. I will use that for the pen. I will give you a feedback on the pen in a couple of days. So far, it looks, actually, except for that one, what a shame. What a shame. I think I mentioned you do get 2 for the money. And the cutout, let me make sure. Look at that, perfect. Perfect insulation. If you want to send me your phone and a screen protector, I'm happy to put it on, no charge. It's just the only thing is I'm based in Thailand, so your postage may cost a little bit of money. And now I'm just going to rub it down. So that's it, one. I will come back to you. I'll give you an up-to-date opinion. And you can see it doesn't go to the very top. And also it doesn't go to the very bottom. I'm not going to put my case on yet. I like to leave it overnight before I put a case on. The S Pen, if there are any marks, they should recover by themselves, they claim. And open it up. Photos restored. Yeah, looks good. And the fingerprint should work. If not, let me just lock it. And look at that. No problem first time. You can reset your fingerprints if you want. I'll come back to you, give you a full review on that. I've got some other products coming in. This has been always my favorite screen protector. It's a non-reflective one, which I actually personally like. I know you miss a little bit on the color and the brightness and the punch, but I love it when you're outside, you don't get any reflections, any glare. I'll also be doing this in a week or so, so subscribe. It makes a big difference to smaller YouTube channels like my own. I'm trying to get 1 million subscribers, so I only need another 900,000 and a bit more. So we're getting there, we're getting there. Anything else I've got coming in? I've done reviews on this. This was a great case, just to let you know. Look at my channel again, 2-piece case, great grip from a company called Crave. Let me just undo it to show you that. Loads of support, very lightweight, great case. And this case is from Samsung. I also did a great review on this. I say great because the feedback I got was one of the best ever. When you buy it, it's not wireless. It doesn't work wireless. By taking out the piece of plastic and some other things, you can now make it wireless, and it's much more comfortable when you use that like that. I'll be doing some reviews on these things, which is the best for people that don't want to use a case even. These are grips. This is by a company called Cat Tongue. This is by another company called Dragon. Both completely different fills. You may want to put those on the side. And that's about it. Subscribe, hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Just a quick update on the screen protector. I've now had it on a couple of days, and good news and bad news. Let me firstly unlock it, turn off the screen. I don't know if you can see that. They claimed it was fingerprint. I mean, it works well with the fingerprint, don't get me wrong, but you do get to see all the fingerprints. Slightly better than the cheap one I had on before. This is still not expensive, but it does do that. The good news is, okay, so it works well. There's no marks from the S Pen, no marks at all, in fact. Easy to clean, by the way, but, you know, it's just a pain. Anyway, and that little mark that was left about halfway is completely gone. So the installation was first class. I'm very happy about that. I will be using this for a week or so. I'll do maybe a final update on this one just to say it's lasted well. I personally will be taking this off and putting a non-reflective film screen protector, not easy to say, a non-reflective screen protector on it. I prefer those. I know you lose some of the punch when you look at it, but I love it where there's no fingerprints and no glare. I think those two benefits really outweigh the other benefits. Subscribe to the channel. I've got more screen protectors, more cases, more tips and tricks